All right, guys, so we got one of the new accessories from Can-Am. This is the loadout rack. It goes in the bed of the Defender. Basically like a secondary platform that you mount in the bed. We'll be doing an install video on this to give you guys firsthand look at what this looks like on the car after it's installed, and just how detailed some of this stuff really is as far as the install. So guys, got the loadout rack done. Looks pretty good. We did a pair of the link holders up top here so we could put an axe that we keep here to kind of show that stuff off. But it came out pretty good. We also did the little side basket here for rifles. You know, this being a camo model, we're kind of going after the Hunter on this one. We'll end up putting a gun rack or something in the roof as well inside the cab. But yeah, that rack turned out sweet. Definitely sturdy enough to support your weight. And it'll go much taller. We have it on the lowest setting possible right now. I think there's 4 settings total as far as how high that you can make these legs go. You also get a couple brackets on this side to hang stuff off of. I could see that being good for your duck decoys or just bags of gear and stuff. They also give you link spots up top. It looks like 2, if I can sneak in there, you get some up top to put the bases, to put ice chests and some of their other link storage accessories. So cool. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Make sure you like, subscribe to see all of our content. And thanks for watching.